Listen and practice. Friend is someone special whom I can share my all feelings. He is Raghav. He lives with me as my neighbor in the same colony. We met each other in the nursery class on the very first day. We sit together in the classroom and share everything very happily without any problem. We know each other very well as understand each other's need. He is leadership in nature, tall, fair in complexion, good looking and smart. She is very good in studies and behaves well with everyone. He does his class work and homework very attentively. He is favorite student of class teacher as he is very punctual and follows all the etiquettes. We share our tiffin in the lunch time. He respects my feelings and helps me always. Many things of us like hobbies, likes, dislikes, etc. are similar. We love to listen music, watching cartoons and playing carom at home. We take care of each other in the school and playground. We share school copies and help each other whenever one of us remain absent in the school. We love drawing sceneries and arts in our spare time. We go a tour and picnic with our parents together in every winter and summer vacation. Listen and practice.